Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Mailchimp to Shopify for abandoned cart recovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Mailchimp to Shopify for abandoned cart recovery, start by logging into your Shopify account. Next, navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Mailchimp and hit enter. Locate the Mailchimp app for Shopify in the search results. Click on the Add App button to initiate the installation process. You may be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp credentials and sign in. Once logged in, you'll need to grant the necessary permissions for integration. Review the details and click Connect to link your Mailchimp account with Shopify. After successfully connecting, return to your Mailchimp dashboard. In your Mailchimp account, click on the Audience tab. If you have multiple audiences, select the one you want to use for abandoned cart recovery. Next, navigate to the Automations section. Choose Create to start a new automation workflow. Select Cart Abandonment from the available automation options. Customize the email template according to your branding and messaging preferences. Set the trigger for the automation, usually based on the time frame after abandonment. Save your settings and activate the automation. To ensure everything works smoothly, perform a test by adding an item to your Shopify cart. Abandon the cart before completing the purchase. Check your email to see if the abandoned cart email is triggered correctly. If it is, you're all set. Monitor the performance of your abandoned cart recovery emails in Mailchimp's Reports section. Make adjustments to your campaigns as needed based on the data you gather. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.